Nature and scope of science and technology. Science. Science is a systematic study of the natural world through observation, experimentation, and analysis. Technology. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge. Science provides knowledge while technology applies it. Nature of science. Science relies on evidence based reasoning and logical analysis to answer questions and solve problems. Nature of technology. Technology utilizes scientific principles and discoveries to create practical tools, processes, and systems. Scope of science. Science explains past, present, and future. Science leads to new inventions. Scope of technology. Innovations in health, communication, industry, agriculture, transport, space, defense, and more. Innovations in renewable and efficient energy sources. Tools and techniques for better healthcare.